Ka-chow!
Start by pushing the plastic cover as far as you can toward the center, then pry the tab outside of the console. Then move the plastic dome-like cover towards you and down. There's a small dowel that has to come out last and go in first. See this zoomed in picture. You're going to line the dowel up with the hole in the console, then make sure the lip is inside the console. Lastly, be super gentle and flex the tab back into the console. Double check everything works correctly. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. You can find other helpful tips and tricks on my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn at Girlie Garage.